I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings.
Hey y'all, got a couple things for you. I got from them boys. You know, the ones that be at the fence. Come on. Valentino. I already opened it. It's okay. You know, I gotta test the merch out. Make sure it's good. It's good. Get into it. See? Europe. We got those. And we got these bracelets. They say they for men, but hey, they gonna be for me, cause I'm gonna be the one that's wearing them. Hey, how cute is that? And oh, we got another one. This one is brown. This one is black. And this one is brown. It's cute, ain't it? Here. We also got this belt. It don't got much on there, but hey, who looking for all that? I like it. And I'm gonna wear it. All right. So this came like this. Let's see what we got. The duster. Valentino. Take this off. Alright, big. Okay, we got two. Two straps. Okay, how cute is that? And then we got this one. Okay. Cute. Yeah. I like it. I would stand up, but I'm like 6 feet tall and I'll be all out the frame and whatever, but y'all get it. I'll show it to you when I dress it up. All right.